What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you guys a quick unboxing of the Supreme with North Face collab. And I just picked up a small item, a really small item, which I'm planning on giving away on my Instagram anyways. So it came in this package right here. I don't know if you guys could see that, but it came in this little package, and it's just this foam keychain, Supreme with the North Face. It's actually pretty small as my hand, fits in my palm. And it's really squishy. It's also like a very cheap material, like the paint's peeling off already. I accidentally, I guess since the UPS guy had this sitting in the back in the heat, it actually got stuck to the bag, and then I peeled a little bit out. But anyways, I'm thinking of giving it away anyways. It's like a $20 item right now that it's reselling for. I got this for 12 bucks. So just a little quick keychain. I mean, it might look cool if you want to wear it on your keychains, but I really would rather wear this on a backpack or something like that, something similar to that. That way, at least you could have it for a longer period of time, or if you just want to leave this in your room somewhere. So do whatever you want, but I'm thinking of giving it away, so let me know. And mostly my giveaways, I do it on Instagram, and I'll put my Instagram thing right here somewhere. So on to the next one. I also do a lot of giveaways of these. I also give away the box logo stickers, because to me, I mean, with one is enough. I mean, if you have one, what do you need all these other ones for? So I give these away a lot too. And my shirt came in this packet, which I already had uploaded a video, but the quality was horrible, so I had to redo it again. So it came in this bag. And it's this purple shirt right here, and I kind of feel bad because I bought this too big. I bought this a size large, which some size larges, they fit me pretty small, but this actually fit me pretty big. I really like that it looks like someone spray painted all over you, because I love graffiti. Those of you guys that know like the real me, I love to do graffiti. I love like the way it looks. I love everything about graffiti. I'm also a skateboarder, so I mean, this gives it that vibe. So you get that like Supreme everywhere. You have like 4 Supremes across the chest and another 4 on the bottom, and it says Nueva York. Very cool. So on the back as well, you just don't get the Nueva York on the back. But all in all, I love t-shirts with designs, and I really feel like I got my money's worth with this t-shirt. So I'm gonna do a quick try on for you guys as well. So the reason I have these shoes right here is because I'm thinking about wearing them. Shout out to Charmin, or shout out to Angelo. My bad. Shout out to Angelo. I'm thinking of wearing this shirt with these shoes. You guys let me know if it's gonna go pretty good, if it's gonna look real cool, like a fire picture. So let's try this on real fast. So let me give you guys a better angle as well. So yeah, man, pretty much it's like a long tee. My height is 5'8", 5'9". So yeah, man, it's pretty loose. Actually very loose, but the material in this shirt feels really nice. I mean, I love the color of it, and being outside in this heat right now is gonna give it like that more like color, like it's gonna make it like more brighter, which that's kind of why I like this shirt. But yeah, man, see, it's length almost to my knees. This is a large, my bad if you guys can't really see. So yeah, I live in an apartment, it's pretty small, so yeah. But the shirt is very nice. I like it. I love the way they put it in this bag. And yeah, man, a quick little unboxing. Tomorrow I will have another review. I picked up some other items which are pretty badass too. And thank you guys for watching. Peace out.